Hello, I'm Katie. Welcome to the Planner Channel. So you probably have either one of two kinds of to-do lists. One is what I call a brain dump, and that's when you write down everything from every area of your life and get it out of your head and onto paper, so you have one giant list. The other thing I would call a to-do list would be a list under a specific category or goal or project of all of those tasks that you need to get done. So whether it's everything list or a specific list for a specific project, you will do the same thing, and here's the secret. Do not work off of your list. The first step is to write that list, get everything on there that needs to get done under that goal category or the everything list. And then the second piece is the secret. You have to schedule every task like it's an appointment. So let's look at my calendar for this week and my actual to-do list for this week, and we're going to plan out scheduling each task like an appointment. All right, here's my planner for this week. It is the Happy Planner in a dashboard layout, the Color Splash Planner. I have already decorated, which I like to do ahead. Here is my to-do list, and then some of the things I have already planned out, like workouts on these 3 days, and I have a nail appointment here. I need to pay bills here, but we're going to go ahead and write in all of the things. Now, I do use additional planners. For example, everything I work on for social media has its own planner, and I work on that every morning and sometimes in the evenings, so it has its own tasks there. Everything else to do goes on this planner. So to start with, I have a doctor appointment on Monday. Now you can either, depending how you're using your planner, you can either write in your appointments or use stickers. I like to use stickers for appointments because it makes them stand out and more likely that I will not miss them. So let's grab a sticker for that. Okay, I actually found some matching stickers. Here's one in blue and green that matches this layout. I think we'll use this green one. So now I have a sticker on here to help me remember that I have an appointment that day. I also need to stop by Michael's and exchange or return something, AELS. So I'll put that on here, and depending how long the appointment runs, this will be done earlier or later in the day. And then my third thing for Monday is to work out. So I have this sticker here to remind me for that. Okay, next on my to-do list here is I will get gas. Usually I like to get gas on Thursdays, so I'm putting that on here. Let's go gas. And that's my errand that I'll do during that lunch break. Next on the list is car wash. Tuesday will be car wash day, and I will need to drop it off and pick it up. So let's put both of those on here. Next up, nail appointment. I have a nail appointment on Friday, and I already have a sticker on there to help me remember that appointment. I'll still have time during this lunch break to fill in an errand, which I don't have anything to assign to that day yet, but we've got this one checked off. I have another appointment on this Thursday after work, so let's put another appointment sticker there to help remember that one. The next thing is to pay bills on Sunday. I have a little sticker there for that, but I will also write it in because I need to remember that. The last thing on this list is workouts, and they were already assigned to these 3 days, so I can check that off. So that's it. Take your to-do list and then assign all your tasks to your calendar. Now you have an actual plan and time slots to accomplish each of the tasks on your to-do list so that you can get them done. Subscribe to learn how to use your daily planner to get organized, stay focused on your goals, and create a powerful plan for your life. Click the link in the description to download your free Power Plan checklist. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe, share with your friends, and hit that thumbs up button. See you in the next video.